Here is my warning to Wawel Romero, even Paulo Cruzada, and those allies, Jean Asedio, Giba Casadil, Jeffrey Asedio, Angelo Bonsa, and including Arnel Guerrera Castillo, aka Best Pills. I mentioned Arnel Guerrera Castillo. Oh, why can't all of you just stop nagging Joseph Maspinas? Even that his car, even his vehicle, like I said before, pati na naman ang sasakyan ni Joseph Maspinas, dinamay ninyo. That's why you know what is all of your problems. Can you just, all of you, just stop harassing Joseph Maspinas? Tigilan mo na sila. Tigilan mo na siya. That's why I say to all of you. Because, for me, this is really a cyberbullying. If I am saying to all of you, Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Gima Casandil, Angelo Bonsa, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, and including you, Lance Salvacion. Why can't all of you just stop harassing Joseph Maspinas? By the way, all of you should attend the hearing on January 18 next year via virtual Zoom meeting according by Sophia Ahmad Sultan. So please, all of you, stop this foolishness. You know me, if all of you don't understand what are all of you doing, like I said before, Joseph Maspinas would get sue against all of you. It's coming New Year. It's coming 2025. All of you didn't learn how to stop. This is very unacceptable. Look at me. I'm not making enemies. Last Christmas Day, I reconciled Buddy Castro. Cakes to Felix Manuel Javines and even Ate Mirasol Siaco. That was a mother of Paulo Siaco, who was in Canada. Because I reconciled Buddy Castro, and I never make enemies with Buddy Castro. I said it, Buddy Castro, I say to you, Merry Christmas to all of your family, and I made this YouTube blog. I never make enemies. For me, this is really bad to make enemies. If I say to you, Wawel Romero, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Gima Casandil, Jeffrey Asedio, Angelo Bonsa, and Arnel Guerrera Castillo, or aka Best Pills, even you, Lance Salvacion, why can't all of you just deactivate all of your Facebook account and start all of your new life? This is embarrassing. For me, I am saying to you, Wawel Romero, you harass Jerick Silva. You harass Jerick Silva at the time. Last 4 years ago. You did it to David Gill. You did it to Rosalyn Makadesh. You did it to Ronald Rubena. You did it to me. You did it to others. You see, Wawel Romero, you have no friends. Buddy Castro and Rafa Soco, they really hate you. Oh. Even John Almonte, he really hates you. Oh, even Aldrin Manasalas, Charmaine Aloyan, even Ellie Lopez, and all of my schoolmates in CDIFI. They really hate you, Wawel Romero. And even Christian Mengito really hates you. Oh, he really hates you. Even J. Rick Silva, even Jens Manaid, even my classmates in CDIFI, they really hate you, Wawel Romero, because you are a jerk. You are a criminal. How would you say about yourself, Wawel Romero? Your father was a pastor. You blaming others. That is called a lie. You are a liar, Wawel Romero. You are not a gift of God. You're a gift of Satan, Wawel. Oh, even you, Paulo Cruzada. You did it to Joseph Maspinas. And now you see, Paulo Cruzada, Joseph Maspinas was in hospital in Davao. You threatening him. And you see, Paulo Cruzada, you threaten Nanay Ningning, who was in Germany, my mother's sister, who was living in Germany, and the wife of late Uncle Eugene, who is German American. Oh, don't you know, Paulo Cruzada? You did it to Nanay Ningning. Oh, you did it to Kuya M.A. Chanbiray, who was living in Japan, who was working in Japan for almost 7 years. Oh, what the hell is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? You know what, Paulo Cruzada? I reported to your dad anyway. If you threaten to harass Anya Suyuki, my ninang, who was a German American who was living in New York, I'm the one who gonna fight with you, Paulo Cruzada. You are abnormal, Paulo Cruzada. I reported to your dad anyway, Mr. Kulas Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop. You have to stop what you're doing. Just like I said in my blog, just like I said before, Paulo Cruzada and Wawel Romero, deactivate all of your Facebook account. Just stop harassing other people. I'm sorry for my blog because Shania Kiana has interviewed me in a Zoom meeting about the issue of Wawel Romero and Paulo Cruzada. Because I tell who the whole story was. That was a story from my making. You know, this is my story about Wawel. I've been experienced that in first time in my YouTube blog. Wawel Romero is starting making enemies in social media since me, since Charmaine, since Rosalyn Makadesh, since David Gill, since Ronald Rebena. Oh, and since Rosalyn Makadesh niece is Kikay. Oh, this is really upset to you, Wawel. You know, Wawel Romero, you need to learn about your lesson in the past. You know, Wawel Romero, you did it to Jerick Silva. Because Jerick Silva said to me in the chat in Facebook, Mansarik ko na yon ni Wawel Romero ng animal na yan. That's why. You know, for me, Wawel, you have to stop. You are totally a jerk. You are a stupid asshole, Wawel Romero.